Alright, here we go. Try to give you a video of everything so you can see what it is you're getting. So I'm using the boat tank. Does not come with it. You got a fuel tank. I'm going to show you a video of everything. The problem is whenever I fire it up and weld through the hood and I try to take the phone out of the hood, I end up hitting that button every time and stopping it. I'm trying to do one video instead of having multiple videos for you. So I guess I'll get everything in the front end, start it and weld it, and then it'll turn off, I'm sure, as I try to get it out of the hood. So there you go, this one looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and show you everything that comes with it. Here's the hood. Got a little gash right here. And we got a little ding right there on the door, but other than that, the hood seems to be in really good shape. Here's the exciter band. The armature band. There's the full bath that goes with it right there. This is the fuel tank goes with it. Here is the inside of the fuel tank. It's not too bad, but it needs a little bit of cleaning before I throw it on there and put fuel in it. So that's why the boat tank's the way to go. Bolts for the fuel tank. That. The exciter cover was damaged. So with this machine, I'm gonna throw in a hubcap. It's not cut to fit yet, but you just notch it around the exciter brush insulators, and then it snaps on these bolts on top and bottom. So it looks pretty cool. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can see that on the internet. All right, we'll fire it up. So we're on auto. It does sound like it needs a tune-up, like some plugs, or maybe the carburetor cleaned up, or any of that. I've done nothing with this thing. We got auxiliary power. Automatic. Idles up and down. This is the slowest part of the whole process, trying to get the damn camera to zoom in on the, there we go. All right, you got it? 9053 is the code. 1095518 serial. Pretty hot right now, really. I'll probably turn it down a little bit. There's the last demo, this 1/4 inch. So here we go, I put it in the camera in the hood, and hold the camera with one hand and try to get this thing to weld. So it's idling up. Idles up and down, runs welds. Doesn't run the greatest, but that's why it's cheap and it's a project. You fix it up. I know I can fix it up, but I don't have time for it. Look at all this crap I got. Got more over here. Turbo Yanmar over here. I got a lot of crap to do. So that's why I'm showing you that they weld and make auxiliary power and run. And then I'm gonna put them on a pallet and they're gonna sit there. And then when you're ready to come get them, we're gonna load them up and you're gonna be gone. That's it, and you can fool with them. All right, it's a good deal. See what you can get.